Dubai is a progressive, cutting-edge, dynamic city. And I believe as a cook, you should constantly challenge yourself to be better. Here in Dubai, everyone starts here in a way. It's like a reset button for everyone. It's your second shot, it's your second chance. Given the chance, I really want to do well. I want to prove to the people here that Filipino food can be very good. Filipino food is beyond what you see. There's more to it. There's more to us. There's more to our country. And food is a great medium. And Dubai is the best place. So today, I'm with Chef Jem. We're gonna buy some ingredients for family meal, and then we're just gonna jam in the kitchen. I'm excited where he's gonna take me. Carama Market for me is it's a place where you find everything, especially for a Filipino. Everything is there. All our dry goods are there, and at the same time, all the vegetables we need for our cooking is there and beyond. There's lotus root, there's serguelas. It's normally the vendors there are Indians, and so they bring their local tamarind, their local spices, their local vegetables. So it's a good mix. And if you can just think out of the box every now and then, you can create a better version of, say, a pinakbet or a better version of a chop suey using their vegetables, but at the same time still using our flavors. I like the diversity of the place. It's tamarind, no?
Kerala.
Kerala?
Tamarind.
Yeah. Kerala. There's a little bit of language barrier, but they're so used to us Filipinos that they know our lingos already. They know our numbers, they know how to say cheap, expensive, so they know what we want. You know, the Indian culture, they're a bit quirky, and I like it because us Filipinos, we're also the same. So we may not understand each other, but the humor is somehow similar. The team here at Kuya is fun and light. We're almost like family, even though we've been together for 2 months. I brought 2 chefs with me from Manila. Eman's from Bicol, Jerry's from Pasig, Cebu, Ilonggo, different parts of the Philippines. When I cook something, I actually, like at the beginning part, I don't know what I'm doing. So I feel the environment first, and then that's where I get my inspiration. So it's, I guess my cooking, or our cooking, is just very random, very spontaneous, very fun, very playful, very light. But at the same time, very solid in our foundation. We know who we are. We know that we're Filipinos. If it's a sinigang, it's a sinigang. But then if you have Jem with you, then let's make our sinigang sexy. If it's an ensaladang talong, I mean, Jem is there. Look at that dish he made. It's beautiful. You know, we feed off each other. We inspire each other. We help each other. When we present food by the beach, it's always so colorful. There's a lot of fruits. It's so vibrant because it reflects the environment. And I think we should carry that with us. We have 7,100 islands and counting. We are a tropical country. We should always remember that. Even though we're stuck in a small apartment and there's no colors, but let's make our food colorful. Let's think about home all the time. I think Filipino food has the potential to be right there, together with Japanese cuisine, Thai, Vietnamese. Slowly, we are starting already. They say it's gonna be the next big thing. I think it will come. I think right now is the time. We have a pretty good community. I think it takes a village to make this all happen. And I think there are a lot of young chefs right now that are seeing that let's all bond together and make this happen together. Not just one person, not just one restaurant. Us Filipino chefs, we can make this happen. So when we eat, it's always a family style setting. It's communal, it's sharing. We're so happy when we're around our friends, our family. It's a source of identity. It reminds us who we are, where we came from, where we're going. We have so many problems in this world. Once there's good food, we forget about everything. Everyone learned from each other. Everyone is inspired to do what they do. Our servers are inspired to cook Filipino food. Our chefs are more inspired to do what they do. And I guess also through that simple act of feeding everyone, we all forgot that we were somewhere else because it felt like home.